Everyone, Lake Coeur d'Alene.
Pitch dark.
Welcome to day 4. We're getting ready to take off from Kalispell. Glacier Park yesterday was amazing. I don't know what else to say. Living in Oregon, we're blessed with beautiful scenery. What I saw yesterday, I have not seen in Oregon or any other place I visited. I know there are tons of places out there. I've seen videos, I've seen pictures. Makes me want to go explore all that, but just an incredible experience. It's great riding with Aaron and Earl, and hearing their thoughts as well.
We are at West Glacier Village, about to head up to the mountain. And let's see if I can flip this around.
So yesterday we did about a little over 150 miles, not too much, but it took all day. You really do need 7 days, and that's the pass that we got. Unfortunately, we don't have 7 days to go explore the whole park. Today, we are going to take off here and we're going to head back to Coeur d'Alene, except we're going to try a little bit of a northern route. So it's going to take us back up into the mountains and we're going to come back a little bit different way. We're going to grab some breakfast before we head on out. It's a beautiful day outside. I actually get to wear the sunglasses today. Really excited to ride. Stick with us. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Here we are at dinner.
Yeah.
Here's our menu. Check this out.
Not pretentious at all.
Pop my collar.
Sort of 80s film, you'd have a sweater over your shoulders with arms tighter under there.
We were out on the lake today.
Did some sailing.
So we did some sailing.
You see, I dress for the occasion.
Everyone, Lake Coeur d'Alene.
Pitch dark.
But there is a boat ferry.
There is really water there. See, that's a boat.
So after entering into a restricted area, I mean a guests only, which we are guests.
Earl was the one who found it and said, I think that door is unlocked.
He said, I don't think this is going to end well. I said, you'll be fine.
I can tell by the screen that the magic of what you're seeing is incredible. We ate right there.